Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by reproducing the error reliably. You need a repeatable failure to debug. Run the stored procedure with the exact parameters and session settings that caused the issue, and make sure you are on the correct schema version. Once you can reproduce it, enable minimal but sufficient logging or tracing, set your DB debug level, activate a profiler, or turn on query logging, so you collect runtime context without overwhelming noise. This lets you see where control first deviates from expected behavior. Next, instrument the procedure to isolate the failing section, add targeted print or raise statements, or step through with your debugger so you observe variable values and flow. Run suspected subqueries and transaction blocks separately to narrow scope, and examine the execution plan to detect performance regressions or parameter sniffing issues. Make sure default values and data types are correct, because subtle conversions can change logic. Once you isolate the root block, you can reproduce the exact state that triggers the bug. Finally, implement a minimal, well-documented fix and verify it with unit tests that include edge cases and regression scenarios. Run a lightweight load test if performance was affected, and update any affected callers or documentation. Deploy using version scripts and a tested rollback plan. Keep backups and enable monitoring so you detect recurrence. If problems reappear, one key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue in a copy of production data, then compare runtime traces line by line to find environmental differences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.